Sairam everyone. We will start with NCRT Geography Class 7. Let's start with Chapter 1 which talks about environment. Now, the subtopics of the chapter are as follows. Word origin of environment, definition of environment, biotic and abiotic environment, components of environment. In components of environment, there are three parts. First is natural environment. Second is human-made environment. Third is human environment. Now, in natural environment, there are four parts. Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Let's discuss about the word origin of environment. The word environment is derived from the word environ. It's a French word which means neighborhood. The definition of the term environment is written here. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. Children, I want to ask you a question that can humans modify their surroundings? If yes, how? Find the answer from the first page of your chapter. And your hint is you will find it in the blue box of the first page. Children, broadly our environment is divided into two categories. First is biotic, which is the world of living organisms. For example, plants, human, and animals. Second is abiotic, which means the world of non-living environment. For example, land. Now let's do an activity to understand the components of environment in a better way. So, according to this activity, you are supposed to make a list of 20 items from your surroundings, all around you and your house. This is step 1 of the activity. I've given some examples here like chair, books, mother, family, sun, air, etc. Now, in step 2, you have to observe your list and write the similar words together. For example, I have divided my words into 3 groups. In first group, I have written sun, air, trees, and clouds, as they all are natural things. In second group, I have put the man-made things, and in third group, human and the things related to the development of the human. For example, education, politics, community, these all are the things which are related to the development of a human being. All right. Now, here is the figure 1.1 from our book. It tells us about the components of environment. See the first part on the left side. This is natural environment. It is divided into 4 parts. First of all, water, or we call it hydrosphere also. Here hydro means water. Then air or atmosphere. Then land or lithosphere. Then living things means biosphere. Here bio means something which is connected to life. So these all 4 are the parts of the natural environment. One component of the environment. Now, another component of the environment is human-made environment. Let's talk about human-made environment now. The things which are made by human, like buildings, parks, bridges, roads, monuments, etc., are called human-made environment. These are written here. The third and the last is human environment. Here, an individual, a family, community form the human environment. Other than this, the things responsible for spiritual and mental development, along with emotional also, development of the human beings, also added to this environment, like religion, education, economy, political situation of the country, etc. So these three, natural environment, human made environment, and human environment, they all comprise the environment. These are the different parts of the environment. Now, from the above conversation, you can understand that the environment is place, people, things, and nature that surrounds any living organisms. Let's discuss about the first component of the environment, that is natural environment. There are four domains, or we can say parts, of natural environment.